Igor Bogdanov and Jasper Ellens, both recognized figures in the drone community, have dropped some juicy details about this upcoming drone, including some sneak peeks that show us exactly what it looks like from every angle. Nothing left to the imagination here. The DJI Neo is shaping up to be a compact little flyer with a design that'll remind you of the DJI Spark. According to Ellens, the battery design is pretty similar too, with a 1,435 mAh capacity that makes swapping batteries a breeze for longer flight times. But heads up, you might need to take out the battery if you want to get to the micro SD slot. Now, if you're into customizing your drone, there's good news. The propeller guard is removable and will only set you back about $15 to replace. Speaking of propellers, Ellens mentioned that the new standard propellers are definitely thick, similar to the low noise ones we've seen on models like the Avatar. One of the coolest features of the DJI Neo is its connectivity. It's going to be a Bluetooth and Wi-Fi mix, letting you fly up to 50 meters. Sure, that might be a bit impractical for most flyers, but it's a neat gimmick, especially if you're into quick shots. And yes, voice control is an option too. But don't worry, it also comes with a dedicated remote control that includes a sport mode for those who like to push their drone to the limit. And here's a fun tidbit. Ellens sources say the DJI Neo might respond to the command, "Hey fly," and even do a backflip on voice command. DJI almost named it the DJI Flip because of that. So, what can the DJI Neo do? Well, it's packed with features: palm takeoff, AI tracking, 6 quick shots, multiple control options, 12 MP photos, 4K video, and more. All of this comes in a lightweight, 135 grams drone that's designed for stable flight and easy content creation. Plus, it's got an 18-minute battery life and convenient charging, so you're good to go for your next adventure. The DJI Neo is set to launch on August 20th, which is right around the corner. If you're as excited as we are, make sure to subscribe for more updates. Peace out.